Why, hello there, good people of the earth. Shams Nelson here from Fantastic Anatomy, and in this short video I want to show you guys a cool way I figured out how to draw forearms Jesus Saiz, or Jesus Saiz style. I was looking at the way he draws forearms here, and helped me figure a few things out, and it's pretty simple, so I wanted to share it with you guys in a short video. So let's go ahead and just see this line he does. He basically is just going to emphasize this one muscle. There, okay. And I'm going to show you this. I'm going to go ahead and draw it in a minute, but I want to show you some examples. That's a good one. You can see there's just the one muscle, and then also kind of emphasizing the elbow. Oh, you can also see down here the muscle stretched out. So I'm going to do it in a bunch of different ways. But I think just focusing on that one muscle, here it is over there, and then one last example, which is a really good one actually, it helped me out a lot, is, there it is, okay. Forearm on this muscle. Okay, see how it wraps from hither all the way to thither? Alright, let's go ahead and draw some forearms. So, oh yeah, this is always tricky for me. I'm going to try to point it right here, up at the top area. Let me get it in focus. Okay, and I'll try to just, alright, whatever. So I think the easiest way to draw it is with a bent arm, or maybe the most telling way, but we'll do a bunch of different ways. Okay, I feel like I have to look at the paper to do this properly. I made this way too long. Anyways, it's okay. So, so the muscle we're looking at is doing something like that, basically. That's the one muscle. That's all we really need to think about. On this side, we can keep it straight. You know, maybe curve it around here, but can leave that edge where the elbow would be. And then this plugs in. See, the elbow is attached to, so think of the elbow as like it's a string that goes from here to here, and there's a notch or a bump, whatever, and it tends to go on this side because it's either going to be up here, a bump here, or a bump down here, and it tends to go on this side, I think. And then that turns into the triceps, and this up here, we got the deltoids. So that's pretty much it. And so he even simplifies it further by just a tough time doing the camera and the drawing at the same time here today for some reason. And the shadows getting in the way. It's okay, whatever. He just kind of simplifies it like that, which I really like. And then I have the elbow here. Okay, just this kind of shape. So let's, and then so if a L hand's on the table like this, maybe it's always going to be on the side of the thumb. So that's the most important thing to remember. This big muscle's on the side of the thumb. So over here, we'd have something like that. There's the thumbs over here. These are fingers. And then, so let's do a regular, okay, so we did the arm like that. Let's do the arm from the other direction. And how does he tackle that? And I found an example, and I'll show you what I discovered. So he's got the bicep muscle right here, the deltoid. Alright, so basically, the thumb is going to be out here. So this is the muscle right there, and basically right where the bicep comes in, that's going to divide the two sides. So and it kind of tends to squish out this side's bigger from the inside angle. So just like a kind of line like that, something very simple right there. And then how we saw on, oh, I'll do a straight arm after this, but as we saw on that big rhino character, so you can have it wrapping around this thick arm form right there, plugging in over here, and then you just fill out the rest of those muscles. And obviously, well, I would say, like, you know, don't connect it there and there, so when you do the actual sketch, you might just indicate it. See, this is what happens when I try to look into the camera while I'm drawing. I just indicate it like that if he's strong, or even more subtly if the character doesn't have such a pronounced forearm muscle. So last thing I wanted to do is show how the forearm muscle looks when it's going straight up and down. Yeah, I guess let's turn the arm like this. Okay. So it's on the thumb side, remember, and it plugs in. So we got the elbow here. It's on a big string like that, going all the way up, turning into the triceps, and this one comes and plugs in right there. So it actually goes past the elbow. See, that's something that I didn't think about. The elbow usually comes below the forearm. See, even here, it's kind of past where the forearm would continue all the way up to around here maybe. So it goes down past the forearm. So I think that's it. I hope this helped you guys out like it helped me out. So that's it. Peace, God bless, and stay fantastic, everyone.